Hey guys, it's Kim from Drifter Vans, and this new van that I have to show you is really cool because it has literally pretty much every single bells and whistles you can imagine on a van. So this is the Ford Transit 148 Extended, and this is a Scout model. So in front of the van, first we changed the grille for a Raptor grille that comes with the light, the 3 orange lights and the big light bar. Then we put a big aluminous bumper in the front with a 12,000 pound winch. The winch is actually works with a remote, making it super easy if you have to use it. In the side of the bumper, we installed an onboard air compressor, so you can connect lines to this onboard air compressor, and you can add it to a tire pressure system, meaning that you can blow the tires if you have to deflate it. Now for the side, the passenger side, you can see that the van is pretty high. We added like a stage 4 lift kit that upgrades the springs to 11,000 pounds. In the back, you have a tire carrier that goes on the hitch and is on an extension, meaning that you can use it for bikes even though you have a tire and a box. It swivels out of the way. On the passenger side door, you have a carrier plate with on top of it a large box. Then you have the ladder that goes to the roof rack, and this roof rack is the one with a deck. So you have 400 watts of walkable solar panels, meaning that even though you have solar panels, you can use the deck. So on the outside, let's start with the back doors. Both on the driver and passenger side, you have storage bags that are great to store the plumbing stuff, like the outdoor showers, the shower head, the pigtail, the hose, all these kind of things. Now let's check the inside. So let's remember that this is the Scout signature layout that we offer on the Ford Transit Extended model. There's a few customization, but the base layout is the Scout. The design is really custom here because it's pretty different from what we usually do. Let's have a look. In the van, you can see that you have swivel seats, both on the driver and passenger side. That's actually your seating area above the cab. From the passenger seat, you can use the extension countertop. Now for the passenger side, which is the kitchen area. On top, you have upper cabinets that give you a lot of storage, a butcher block countertop with a very custom backsplash here. Under it, the Isotherm 85 fridge, the drawer model. Under it, you have a toe kick drawer to give you some hidden storage, but it has a cutting board on top of it, and under it you have quite a lot of storage. And this door is really custom. The client wanted to have more of a metal look, so it's really nice. You have a self-cleaning sliding door to open and close it. We created a fold-down system that is right by the bedroll to make it really easy for you to get inside the bed. You can lock it in the open position or in the closed position. You have the EcoFlow touchscreen monitor that controls both AC power, DC power, charge, and basically anything regarding electrical. It's very user-friendly, and it comes with this one with 10 kilowatt of lithium battery power. You have a 48 volt system that runs on the battery. For the bed area, on both sides you have the bump out flares that extend the mattress to 80 inches. I hope you like this van. The design is different as usual, but it has so many bells and whistles. This van is really beautiful, and as usual, I will see you very soon on YouTube for our next video.